Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be meeting Chris Lawson Vlog again for the second time. Kay may dinala daw siya sa akin na mga tuyo. So we will see. So hang in there and we will have a little short visit, and after that we head home. Okay, so we are closer to their house, and my very patient, handsome driver is so good to bring me there. We don't have enough time. Makita sana kami before, kaso alanganin kami na busy kami. So ayun, on the way home na lang kami nakipagkita sa kanya kasi short na lang ang aming period dito sa Arizona. So yun lang, see you in a little bit. Malapit na po kami makarating sa kanyang bahay. Tingnan natin kung ano ang dinala niya para sa akin. So madala ko yun sa Ohio. Yan, dami kaming bit-bit na damit. I'm gonna cut off clothes when we come back next time, para hindi ko dala ang wardrobe ko. So we're driving by the Casa Grande. That's the Casa Grande. Oh, now I have a video of that before we visited there. So ayan, padong namin kay Chris Lawson.
That's not too far from our house. 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Florence!
I don't know why you're taking video.
Malapit na tayo sa lugar ng ating kaibigang maganda. Malapit na talaga kami. Mga magagandang mga bahay dito. Tingnan mo ang kanilang lugar. Diba? Nandito lang. Yan, hanapin ko na siya. Nasaan na siya? Ay, ganda ng kanyang bulaklakis. Kasi kung nandyan siya. Ay, ganda ng bulaklak niya. Aray! Yan, nakistop ko. Okay. Dito talaga ang aming sasakyan sa bahay ni Chris Lawson, guys. Kakatok muna ako. Tingnan mo mga halaman niya. Nandito na ako sa kanilang bahay. Kumakatok na ako.
Park right there temporarily. I don't think I'm blocking their driveway.
Ay!
Check, that should be okay.
You should be fine.
Hoy!
Oh my God, good to see you guys.
You got to take your shoe
Oh,
off.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. It's
Don't
okay.
worry about it. Oh, ano, kamusta na? Oh, ano, kamusta na? Oh, ayan oh. Regalo mo? Oh, ayan oh. Yay!
Sinong
Dito, dyan, dito, dyan, dito.
Okay.
That's pretty good ride so
Oh, yeah, ang ilaw.
Where did you hope to go
Ibaba mo.
today?
Ha?
I'm hoping to
Ibaba
make
mo.
it either to
Oh, tama
Devon,
eh.
New Mexico or Las
Oh!
Tanggal ng konti, ilang
It
inches.
depends on how we feel.
Tongkad ba ako? Ay,
But we just drive till we feel like we're going
Mataas.
around. We'll stop.
Konti ba?
We'll go into
Hi guys! Nakita naman kami ni MD168. Ayan! Ayan, nag-meet na naman kami.
Magwita po, me.
We did. We
Mga
did.
itom naman, me. Ay,
Ay, katapos ko lang na-rapid ko dahil kaya...
ang buti na po ka na.
Today.
Oo, kakawin ko lang.
Yung dating orange.
Oo, kasi
We did.
Ay,
We were there
naputol pala
from
siya.
mid-October basically.
Riban, napakulay ka rin to. Napakulay ko lang sa mixi.
March.
Hoy, uy,
Kahapon.
kundo
Flew to San Francisco, spent a
Ako,
week.
$20.
Part of the week.
Ganyan nga akin eh.
$20?
$20.
Hoy,
Sa room.
okay na.
Before we actually came here.
Maganda na.
Tingnan na.
Oh, ayan guys, oh. Oh, nag-meet na naman kami.
Kumusta yung ano mo?
Ha? Ha?
December.
Ilang oras ka nag-racket? Buti.
3 hours.
O, nakita ko yung picture mo kahapon, yung sabi mo.
Nagkaon-kaon kami dahil.
Nagkaon mo.
We got a lot of.
Pangit.
Yeah, 2 minutes on South Lake,
Nilad mo ko.
Okay.
southwest portion of that.
Ano, manika ng shirt, ra?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Uy. Ay, ito
Yeah,
pala.
we had a
Yan.
wonderful time.
Pang malakasan ng ano mo dahil.
Hindi ah.
All of our family.
Hindi ko ito masyadong ginagamit yung isa kong yung gambol.
Ano yun?
Gimbal, yung gimbal.
I get
DJI.
And
Sana o naka-DJI gambol.
Murag ti yung taon. Tingnan mo ang itim na.
it's a 10-hour period.
Hindi, ako ang maitim dahil.
So I
Kung maski ako.
get there, I'm there.
Kana. Naglabasan ang mga bulaklak niya colorful.
10 hours.
Ano nga ako lang?
You know?
We usually use.
Yeah, we go.
Mag-vlog ka doon, tara, tara. Mag-vlog ka doon.
And from there, there's a ferry. They have two, fast one and
Ganda ng bahay.
Ayan guys, nandito si MD sa bahay, ano lang siya,
Kasi kaupo-upo lang ng
so nag-ride sila papunta rito sa bahay galing Yuma, and then kailangan niya daw exercise para magdire-diretso na ang kanyang kaseksihan, o di ba? Oh my gosh. Kapagod. Ito ka lang dyan.
Hindi ka nagkuhan di ay? Nag-vlog?
Hindi.
Dami ka na puno ka na no?
Wag na. Oh, ayan guys. Oh, si MD nagpapa-sexy siya, oh. Oh, kasi
Mahal eh, sis Chris.
mura lang yan, Day. 700. Ganyan.
Mura lang sa kanya ang 700.
Okay guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung
Ang lemon?
ubos na.
Gusto mo ni sibuyas?
Ayan ang aking
Sis Chris.
sibuyas yan, Day.
Grabe na mo, decoration lang siya.
Hindi siya decoration, Day. Yan ang ginagamit ko sa paggawa ng mga omelets.
O yan?
Oo, yan ay onion leeks.
Ang ganda.
Onion leeks yan. Oh, ito lang ang aking backyard dito na nag-garden ako, guys.
Sweet to, ino. Ang tunay to?
Ha?
Tunay pala yan.
Hindi yan tunay.
Ang fake pala.
Oh, fake yan, Day.
Kuya, ang ganda lang. Ba't nasira si Froggy?
Ay, kasi tinanggal ko na.
Orange.
Ha?
Wala na may bunga.
Ay, naubos na, Day. Kay na? Naman?
Bakit nasira si Froggy?
Nasira si Froggy kay naubusan ako ng tira. Kasi alkansya ko yan, Day. Ay, wow, mama. Ayan si host, oh.
Shade. Ano sabi nga buwak? Parehi yata tayo ng short. Tingnan mo. Ay, di kay mahal.
Uy, wag kang mag-ano dyan, kay may ano dyan. Uy, wag ka rin! Oh. Tapos,
Hoy! Kabiti tsaka feeling. Isa yung mura lang talaga. Pag feeling sa kabiti 135 lang eh.
ay kamura.
Tapos yung ngipin ko na di pa bridge sa baba. Na lang doon, yun ang 1-2. Ganyan pala parang papaya tayo.
Ha?
Papaya tayo, igano na. Hoy, kumusta ang Philippines? Balik kayo ulit?
Oh.
Ganda naman ni Milo. Naglinis talaga sila. Yan, Sis Chris wants to see our camper daw.
Look at that.
Ano lang, mga box tab-tab lang yan. Uy, tinanggal ta na lang upuan.
Aba, may upuan ka din na dyan.
Whoops.
Oh, wow.
No, it's just a tiny
It's a
little...
little messy, but
Oh, well, yeah, you got it packed, obviously. For
Oh, balintong ang ibang gamit, Day.
This is nice.
Ay, ganito pala yun.
Oh, that's...
Babe, this is enough for us, babe.
Yeah, this is
It's a
like...
master bedroom.
Yeah, this is a small. This one can fold. This is a diner, a dining table. But then I'm too tight when I go to sleep there. I'm always in the corner, and it's hard.
Always over
Yeah, And then it suffocate me
Okay.
feel like this ang
Yeah.
lapit lang. So we make it a bed.
Yeah, I can see where if you were the one on the side there, if you had to go to the
What's-
restroom or
Now
something
this
at night,
slides
they would
out.
this kicks out.
Yeah, it kicks out.
This whole thing right here. Right.
It'll slide way out.
So there's the TV there.
Wow.
Freezer.
Refrigerator and freezer.
Oh, may
Wow.
fridge ka din, Danjay.
Oh, dali.
May fridge ka din.
Konting ano lang yan. Dito, nilagay ko para hindi matumba.
TV there.
So it moves.
Oh wow. Yeah, look at that.
I make this my living room when the bike is out.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a shower?
Yeah.
And then, wow, pool room?
Wow, look at that.
Oh,
That's why I call it
Yeah.
toy hauler.
Uh-huh.
ay, Day, dyan ka ba nagla-live?
Yes, I will. This one will make a bed put together, but there's a table, and then I put the table there. Itiklop lang namin ito.
Yeah.
Kasi para sa bike talaga.
It's good enough for us.
Wow!
Perfect.
It's
Yes.
very nice. Thank you guys for showing me. Oh guys, I am very happy na pinakita sa akin ni Sis Imbi ni Mike yung kanilang camper. Grabe, it's so nice talaga. I was very curious before, but finally now
There's a lot of different style too inside, but this
Yeah.
one is just perfect for his bike, you know.
yeah, perfect for the bike. It's a lot of room. It's good for 2 people.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Iba nga, yung maliit pa, may aso pa sila. Oh, di ba, sis Chris?
Oh, Jiba.
Ganda ito, may purple flowers siya.
Oh yeah.
Screenshot lang.
Are you live?
Ali dong,
You put
take a
it-
picture, Han.
Well, I mean, for the, I think it's like 25 gallons or something. It's not as big as.
No, it's okay, Han. I will just screenshot.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to screenshot.
No, it's
we're
already recorded.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Beautiful
Thank
camper.
you guys. Thank you. Oh, balik na tayo sa loob.
Oh, sige na.
Let's go back inside.
Was it your aunt? Her blood pressure went up?
Oh. Yeah, that would be.
Okay, it's going now.
Hello. Ayan.
Cover yourself. Oh, cover body. Cover. Hindi na siya malamigan. Hoy, patakal na siya. Ayan.
Alright, guys. Safe travel.
We will, thank you.
Stopping by.
Ganda talaga. It's been taken care or when you come?
He's been taking care of that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the renters.
Nice, right?
Oh.
Thank
Mainit
you.
na sa Arizona, so you guys go back
Right.
because it's so warm.
Even the campground is empty. A lot of went back to their state
Yeah,
Yeah.
this time around.
yeah. But you guys are not the last, or
There's still some,
there's still some, not much. Oh.
but when we go home, it's chilly still. In Ohio.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Pero sa California, malamig, day?
Ay, mainit na ngayon.
Mainit.
2 weeks ago it was hot. Okay, you guys.
All right.
Lobat.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Thank you! Salamat! It's a nice area here. Let's buy the house.
A lot of houses for sale.
Really?
Like there's
It's
one.
peaceful here. Ayan, eating na may our first snack. Cebu's Lucky. Mango. Thank you, Sis Look what I've got free from the Philippines. Ang bait naman ni Sis Chris. Binigay niya lang lahat yan sa akin. Salamat talaga, Sis Chris. You are very generous. And she is really fun to hang out with. Bungis-ngis talaga, guys. We had fun.